Welcome to the SSB outlet. Today we have a 2014 Honda CBR650F. This standard style sport bike has just under 4,400 miles on it and will be sold as is. So let's take our walk around it. We'll show it to you, then we'll fire it up. Tires on this bike are in okay shape. It's probably got a few miles left on them, but probably one of those things that should be replaced fairly quickly. Don't really see any type of tip over lay down damage. We've got a little bit of rub mark here, like from a garage wall. Same with the rear tire, got a little life left in it, but again, probably something that should be replaced fairly shortly down the road. Alright, like I said, for the most part, a pretty clean bike. 4358 is what's on it. This 2014 Honda CB650F will be sold as is. Thank you for shopping the SSB outlet.